Have you ever noticed this? When you stop chasing, people start wondering. When you stop explaining, people start remembering. Sometimes the strongest way to be missed is not by doing more, but by quietly changing how you show up. Today, I will share 7 silent habits that make people miss you deeply, without begging, without drama, and without saying a single word. Stay till the end, because the last habit is the most powerful. There was a time when you were always available. You replied fast. You understood everyone. You stayed even when it hurt. And what did you get? Taken for granted, ignored, forgotten. But then something changed. Not loudly, not aggressively, silently. And that silence changed everything. 1. You stop explaining yourself. You don't argue anymore. You don't justify your feelings. You don't try to prove your worth. You understand something important now. People want to understand you all. When you stop explaining, your absence becomes louder than your words. And that's when people start missing you. 2. You become emotionally calm. You no longer react to disrespect. You no longer give emotional reactions for free. You stay calm, not because you don't care, but because you care about your peace more. This confuses people. They expected anger. They expected tears. They expected you to fight. But you gave them calm, and calm is unforgettable. 3. You create distance without drama. You don't block. You don't announce your exit. You don't create scenes. You just slowly step back. Less messages, less availability, more space. And in that space, people feel your absence. They realize what they lost, because it's no longer there. 4. You focus on your own life. You start building, learning, growing. You stop waiting for attention. You stop seeking validation. And suddenly, your energy changes. People miss you because you're no longer stuck in the same place. You move forward quietly. Nothing makes people miss you more than seeing you happy without them. 5. You stop overgiving. You no longer give more than you receive. You no longer pour in empty cups. You give with balance now, with boundaries. And people feel it, because when someone who used to give everything starts giving less, their value becomes clear. 6. You become predictably unpredictable. You're no longer always available, no longer always saying yes, no longer always there on demand. Sometimes you reply late. Sometimes you are busy. Sometimes you choose yourself. And suddenly, people start thinking about you more, because mystery creates memory. 7. You respect yourself silently. This is the most powerful habit. You don't demand respect. You don't ask for better treatment. You show it through your actions. You walk away from disrespect. You protect your energy. You choose peace. And when people realize they can no longer access you the same way, they miss you, not because you begged them to, but because you became rare. Remember this. People don't miss loud reactions. They miss calm confidence. They miss presence. They miss what they can no longer reach. Silence isn't weakness. Silence is power when it comes from self-respect. If this video spoke to you, you're not alone. You're growing. If you felt this message, like the video so more people can hear it. Subscribe for powerful, life-changing content. And comment below, which habit are you practicing right now?